All right, so here we've got the RSLogix Micro Starter Lite, which is a free package. I've got a video here already where I showed how to go about getting a hold of this and also how to get a hold of this RSLinks Classic Lite, and then also your RSLogix Emulate 500. All three of these software packages are free. Like I said, I've got a video. I'll put a link in there to how to get a hold of this for free. It's a little bit older software. I'm not even sure what version this was cut off at. Looks like version 8.3 is what I have. And I know there's a newer MicroLogix developer, which is like you have to pay for that one. I think that's like maybe version 12 is what I've got currently on a different computer. But this is what we're working with here today. And I've got a project. It's actually part of a class that I'm working on. But if we want to try to test something, you need to have the emulator set up for that. It's a little bit different than some of the emulators you might have seen if you're familiar with Compact Logics or Control Logics. But basically, you have to select the file and let's see, the station number I believe we're using for this one is 1. The main file is 2. These are all okay as they are. The starting rung and so on. I'm just leaving those all alone. I'm not sure why there's a -1 in there for that. I believe there is some help. If you have any issues, yeah, there is a help file here. I really don't change anything except the station number while I'm doing that. But you can see now I do have this available here. And I can select run. I typically don't do that from here, though, to be honest. I normally just go to the PLC program. One of the things I did initially, and I believe I showed this in a prior video as well, but the driver I'm using, you need RS Links Classic Lite. And the configuring of the driver here, the driver I've selected, is called this Emulate 500 Slick, and it's available here in the drop-down list. Let's see right there. That's the one, the Slick 500 DH45 emulator driver that it's called, and that's currently running. So what that does is if I have this all running and ready to go, I can come up here in the MicroStarter Lite and just do a basic systems comms. And you'll see right here, MicroLogix 1000. That just happens to be the processor type that I selected for this program. And if I want to, I can select download. I can download. It asks me, do I want to download? Yes, I do. And it's basically acting as if I'm downloading to a real PLC. Now, when you first download, of course, it's going to go to remote program mode, and I can select run mode for that. And now the program is running. So, once again, like all this software is free. I will put links to videos and how to get the software for free. It's not super straightforward. And like I said, the software is a little bit older. I'm running it on Windows 11 and I am getting it to work. Your mileage may vary. Hopefully it will work for you. But yeah, good luck.